यार एक चीज़ जो मैंने 17 की एज में स्टार्ट करी एंड ऑनेस्टली डेट वन डिसीजन चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. I was 16 when I started managing social media for clients. Deadlines, revision, client calls, everything was going on. I was so busy building other people's brand that I had completely forgotten to build my own. This video is everything I learned from that one mistake. And if you are in your teens, 20s and you haven't started yet, by the end of this video you will want to. So let me give you some context. I was 16 when I was already managing social media accounts, creating content calendars and writing caption. On the outside it looked like I was having everything figured out, but here's the truth no one actually tells you while working on client early on. You are invisible. The work goes on their brand, their Instagram grows, their engagement goes up, and you are behind a screen getting paid for sure but building nothing of yours. मुझे ना एक दिन लिटरली रियलाइज हुआ जब मेरे क्लाइंट ने मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा दैट दे गॉट 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स ऑन यूट्यूब एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड I can do this for my own thing too, for my own self. That was the moment I decided to start my Instagram page, Devya Cam. Okay, so lesson number one, and this is probably the one I fought against the most: niche down. I know, everyone says this, but hear me out for next 30 seconds. When I started, I thought about posting lifestyle, ASMR, social media tips and fashion. But मेरा लॉजिक ये था कि जितने ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स होंगे उतनी ज़्यादा मेरी रीच बढ़ेगी. But I was completely wrong. But here's the truth. The internet is very noisy. Billions of posts go up every single day. The only way to cut through it is to be known for one single thing. एक काम को इतना अच्छा करो that when some person think of that particular thing, they think of you. पहले मेरे क्लाइंट को भी एक ऐसा ही लगा था कि अगर हम ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स रखेंगे तो फिर ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे, बट देन आई मेड इट वेरी क्लियर टू देम एंड फॉर दैट इट वॉज एजुकेशनल कंटेंट विद देयर पर्सनल स्टोरी एंड दैट्स व्हेन दे गॉट एंगेजमेंट एंड फॉलोवर्स एंड अ रियल ऑडियंस. Not because they got lucky, but because they got specific. Lesson number 2, and this one got me embarrassingly long to understand. Content is currency. मतलब लोग जो तुम्हें हायर करते हैं, ऑडियंस जो तुम्हें देखती है, ब्रांड जो तुम्हारे साथ कोलैब करते हैं, वो सब तुम्हारा कंटेंट देखते हैं. योर कंटेंट इज़ योर पोर्टफोलियो, योर CV, योर फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन, सब कुछ. I got my first brand inquiry not because I sent 100 of mails, but because someone else saw my content and they thought ये exactly मुझे चाहिए था. This is the power of building in public. So here's what I want you to take from this. Start documenting before you feel ready. You don't need a perfect setup. You don't need 10k followers. You only need to be consistent and let the content do the talking. If you ask me about my own setup, I use a normal phone, my own phone, and a tripod which was I guess worth 300 or maybe 250, and I have one simple lighting and just this mic which I recently purchased, and before that I was using a wire mic which was absolutely working very good. So you do not need any expensive setup. You can just start without a light. I purchased this light also recently, and this also costed me like 250 rupees or maybe 300, around 200 to 300. So this is very affordable and you can actually start from this. So we are moving on. Lesson 3, I want you to tattoo on your brain. Stop waiting to feel ready. If you ask me when I started, I would say I literally started when I was in 7th grade. Yeah, I knew nothing about how to create and how to do things. I just took my phone and of course parents' permission that I want to do YouTube thing, and they thought that it is just a fun. And my first video was literally an introduction video because I didn't know what to shoot, and then I stopped creating and then I switched to some. I tried, first of all I tried posting some vlogs, and when they didn't work I thought of doing something else. So I started posting faceless content on my other channel, and I'm about to hit 8k on that. So yeah, I started that, and now I started creating vlogs and all from last 2 years. I was inconsistent first of all in the starting because I had my boards and everything, but now I figured it out. And when I'm building other people's content, I thought, why should I not be consistent? So here am I. What I posted at when I was 13 or 14 or even 12, they were absolutely so embarrassing. When I rewatched them, I was like, ये क्या बना दिया मैंने? But The thing is, I learned from those videos what I need to fix. So please start before you feel ready. You will figure it out, I promise. Okay, so last lesson, and this might be the most important lesson for long-term success. Your personal brand is not your color palette. Your personal brand is not your logo. Your personal brand is not even your niche. Your personal brand is what people say about you when you are not even in the room. Matlab, when someone is watching your video, what are they thinking, what are they feeling when they are reading your captions, your DM, or hearing your name in any conversation? Are they thinking ये तो trustworthy है, इस पे हम trust कर सकते हैं? Or are they confused about who you are, what you do and what you want to do? And by that I means तुम inconsistency कैसी दिखाते हो, क्या values add करते हो, and कौन सी voice use करते हो. It all does add up slowly, quietly, powerfully. And the beautiful thing, if you are 13, 16, 17, 22, and even if you are older than that, then you have a lot of time. Even though age does not matter, but the thing I want to say here is you have plenty of time, because right now there is no competition who you are actually. No one can outbrand you being yourself. If I could go back and talk to 16-year-old me, who was dealing with client work and stuff and thinking I will build my own brand someday, I will literally say, agar ab nahi to kab? So start today. Niche down and own it. Treat your own content like it's the most valuable thing that you produce. If this video hits different and you think कि हाँ यार मुझे भी ऐसा करना है, or even if you are thinking to try, then एक काम करो, subscribe karo, because every Thursday and Sunday and I am dropping content. Even if you are a school student or a college student or just passed out college or anyone, this is literally for you, because you have so much time to actually build something. So let's build something together. This channel is literally for you if you are starting from zero, because I genuinely cannot wait to see you grow. That's it. Meet you in my next video on Thursday. Make sure to comment down when are you going to start, or if you already started, then let me know, and make sure to give a subscribe. So bye bye.